Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Jeep Gladiator. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a new oil filter, and the correct type of new oil. Make sure your engine is warm, but not too hot, as this helps the oil drain more easily. Always park your Jeep Gladiator on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin. Now, let's drain the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan under your Jeep Gladiator. Position a large, suitable drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch all the used oil. Using the correct wrench, carefully remove the drain plug and let all the old oil completely flow out into the pan. This step ensures a clean start. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Finally, securely reinsert the drain plug. Now, let's add the fresh oil. Always consult your Jeep Gladiator's owner's manual to confirm the correct oil type and the exact capacity needed. Slowly pour the recommended amount of new oil into the engine's oil fill cap. After adding, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick. Finally, inspect underneath for any signs of leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.